Marvel fans, get ready to go crazy with the new Marvel by Miniso collection. OMG! A whole Miniso store full of Marvel products! Ah! Let's go inside! I went to Shenzhen, China and was surprised to see the Japanese lifestyle store Miniso turn into a full-on Marvel store. I'm having a hard time choosing what to buy. There's so many cute products. I feel like I have an emotional affinity with each Marvel character. So right now, I'm in analysis paralysis. But I was able to trim it down to 10 cool and cute superhero items you need to have. Tumbler, floor mat, mug, string bag, slippers, stuffed toy, neck pillow, cap, speaker, notebook. Over 2,000 products with affordable prices, the Marvel by Miniso collection will definitely bring out the fan in everyone.